here?
What we got here is the CEO of Mobility Direct and the president of USA Operations, Afikim Wheatley, and they're going to test this S4 Duo while I ride the SE.
You got two 200-pound plus guys sitting on this scooter. As you see, my butt cheeks hanging off a little bit, but hey, expect it. Not trying to get too comfy.
There's some buds right there. No problem.
Don't even have to.
If we had a hill here, these guys would drive it up a hill for you, but we don't. So we're gonna go to the beach later.
That's right.
No problem.
Yeah, before we go to the beach, I gotta
Hit him on the end. Hey, do me a favor. Nah.
No, I got you.
All right. Check me out. Hold on.
Coming out the puddle?
Yeah, but I'm gonna reverse out. Me and Serge figured this out at Merritt's, that this makes a great shot.
Let me know when you're ready.
Go ahead. Pass me on the left. Movie magic. He's coming back.